I am going to share with you a secret method of how I was able to consistently make $300 to $500 every single month. It is a strategy that I have been using from the very first month that I started my YouTube journey.
When he trying to get this money for the rent.
Obviously, guys, I am not talking about the 1,000 subscribers that you need to be monetized alongside with the 4,000 watch hours. Obviously, I'm not talking about the traditional way of how you can get monetized on YouTube, because my channel, as of this video, is not monetized. I'm standing at 223 subscribers. Now, I was still able to find a way to make money from my YouTube channel, and I'm going to share with you these tips. Now, when I started my YouTube channel, the very first thing I did to ensure that I was making some money was to add my PayPal account in every single one of my YouTube videos. I add that to my description, and I always refer to my description in each of my videos. Now, what this does, it just simply gives your audience a way to donate to you, to say thank you for the content that you are creating. I have been getting some small donations every single week, sometimes every other day. It could be $5, it could be $10. It still adds up, and I really appreciate it. I'm also going to create a video on how you could link your PayPal account to your YouTube channel so it's easier for your audience to donate to you with a click of a button. Now, the second way I was able to make money from my YouTube channel is by setting up a Patreon account. Now, setting up a Patreon account, it's really simple. Creators like myself are getting paid for things that we are already creating, such as songs, videos, podcasts, you name it, right? If you're even a writer, you can make it on Patreon as well. Now, if you want to make it on Patreon, you must understand first how the platform works. I'm going to share with you the best way to make money on Patreon and exactly how to do it. Now, you can either choose monthly membership, where persons will enroll in a monthly subscription where they will pay you money in exchange for insider videos, insider news, whatever it is, some very special and unique content that you will create for your audience. And you can have giveaways as well. One thing that I really like about Patreon is that you can set your own monthly subscription prices. So you can set a price as low as $1 per month. Now, I know that you can create a content that is valued at $1 per month for your audience. All you have to do, guys, is to always refer to your Patreon account that you have. Always leave the link in the description and always refer to it. You can make a whole video about your Patreon account and everything that it has to offer in it for your viewers, so they know that if they want special and unique content, all they have to pay is $1 or $2 to get these very special and unique videos. So you can do this. Also, Patreon has a donation button as well, where persons can donate to you through Patreon. Now, they're going to take a cut. Normally, Patreon takes 8% off your earnings. Now, as a small content creator, all right, your main focus will be to drive traffic to your Patreon account. So as I said before, make sure in every single one of your videos, you are referring to something in your Patreon account. Make sure that you are creating specific and unique, valuable content that your audience will love. Now, the third way that I have been making money on my YouTube videos from the very first day that I started my YouTube channel was through affiliate marketing. Now, I did a video on how you can make $5,000 per month with focus group. And in that video, I linked in the description below that video a company that's called respondent.io. And that is a company that's always looking for persons to complete surveys, and they pay really high amount. And I'm going to leave the link to that video as well in the description below. So what I did, I became a referral for Respondent, and I leave that link in every single one of my YouTube videos. And I always refer to my description in all of my videos. You can also put your affiliate links. I mean, you have to put a disclosure that it is an affiliate link, but you can do so in every single video. And then you have to give persons a call to action, which is click in the description, where they will be able to find all the information that can help them and help you make money. Now, the fourth and final way for this video on how I was able to make money from the very first start of my YouTube journey was through brand sponsorship. Now, I know brand sponsorships is not easy, guys. You have to make cold calls. You have to send cold emails. They're giving me email templates. I'm like, what? What I did though, guys, I just found some companies in my local area that would be interested in a small partnership. Now, the money that I was able to generate from the brand sponsorship has not been great, but hey, I'm just starting out. I am just growing, so it's okay. I'm able to get a little bit, I'm able to get a little taste of what it is like to make money on YouTube, and I am grateful for that.
I am grateful.
So guys, that is it. I just wanted to make a really quick video, guys, on how I was able to make $300 to $500 on my YouTube videos without even halfway to monetization. If I can do it, guys, then you can do it too. Until next time, guys, stay blessed. Bye-bye.